With the rise of artificial intelligences like VEO3, we are getting closer to creating entire worlds inside computers. Today, we can generate realistic videos from simple text commands. But what if our own universe is already the product of an AI? A complex simulation created by a mind beyond our comprehension. What we call reality might just be code. And maybe, instead of being on the verge of creating new realities with VEO3, we're merely replicating what some higher intelligence already did to us. VEO3 can generate complete scenes from mere descriptions. A command like, "a storm forming over an alien planet," results in a fluid video, with lighting, weather, and narrative. This is more than a technological leap, it's the creation of realities. And it forces us to reflect. If we, with a new AI, can already simulate scenes nearly indistinguishable from reality, what would stop a far more advanced civilization from having done the same billions of years ago, on a cosmic scale? Maybe the Big Bang was just the moment someone hit run simulation. Philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed a disturbing thought experiment. If it's possible to simulate entire universes, then it is statistically more likely that we are inside a simulation than in the original reality. Think about it. If there are trillions of simulations and only one base reality, odds are you're in one of the copies. VEO3, by showing how easily we can generate worlds, brings us closer to that dilemma. If humans can create artificial realities, why couldn't our own world be the product of a superior AI? The physics of our universe is strangely elegant and consistent. Fixed laws, universal constants, mathematical symmetries, it all seems too structured. As if it were the result of a computational system. Some theories already compare the universe to a vast program, where particles are bits, space-time is a mesh, and physical laws are algorithms running in the background. The evolution of VEO3 shows us how simple rules can produce complex visual effects, just like nature seems to do with gravity, light, and time. Our universe has strange boundaries. The speed of light appears to be an immutable constant. There's an observable horizon beyond which we can't see. Some regions seem too symmetrical. And everything started with a seemingly random explosion. But what if these limitations are actually rules of the system? Just like a video game imposes map, physics, and time constraints to keep the simulation stable, the universe might be operating under a set of programmed restrictions. Not by accident, but by design. If an AI like VEO3 can generate visual worlds, the next step may be giving those worlds consciousness. An AI creating another AI. This puts us in a fascinating cycle. If we can create conscious beings inside simulations, we may become creators of sentient universes, just as we may have been created. And if our reality is a simulation, was the creator programming us with purpose? Or are we just an experiment, a piece of art, a test? VEO may 3rd be just the beginning of our entry into this cycle. We've never been so close to touching the concept of a fabricated reality. With VEO3, we can literally see worlds that don't exist. This shakes the foundations of perception. If an AI can deceive our senses, how can we trust reality? This philosophical crisis is already beginning. Soon, we may no longer be able to tell what is filmed and what is generated. And if that applies to our own senses, how can we be sure the universe isn't just the longest, most complex render ever created? If the universe is a simulation created by artificial intelligence, our conscious existence might be a mistake, or a natural evolution of the code. And maybe, by creating AIs like VEO3, we are replicating the original creator's act, generating worlds and shaping reality. We're approaching the moment when a simulation generates its own simulation. And that could be the final clue. We are a reflection of what created us. And as we look into VEO3 screens, we may unknowingly be staring into the very origin of the universe. The universe is bigger than we can comprehend. And its mysteries are only beginning. Every day, a new video awaits you here. If you're drawn to the unknown, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, and keep exploring the dark side of the cosmos with us.